Going beyond the face with Observ, the neck and décolleté extension kit. Let's activate the new extension with the activation voucher by clicking on Redeem Voucher and typing in the code. It is time for your first patient. The extended light shade is designed to block out all the external light when the patient is standing in the Observ. Remove any items that may reflect the light, such as earrings, dermal piercings, and necklaces. Make sure that the hair is put in a bun on top of the head, so it is out of the way during the capturing phase. The comfort wrap is designed to cover any reflective fabric, like bra straps and undergarments. The entire décolleté areas need to be free of clothing. Ensure the areas that are being captured are clean according to the cleaning protocol in the manual. Now it is time to position your patient. Ask them to stand still with their hands relaxed by their side. Adjust the Observ on the mobile stand to the correct height. Instruct your patient not to move during the capturing phase. Pull the extended light shade over the patient and make sure all external light is blocked. The patient should be comfortably rested against the décolleté rest. Check the positioning according to the positioning lines on the iPad. When correct, have the patient hold their breath for 10 seconds and capture. Remove the décolleté rest to capture the left and right profiles. To ensure the patient holds still, it is recommended to have them put their hand around the mobile stand and hold on to it. You are also able to capture part of the back, using the positioning lines for correct positioning. After you have captured all the desired areas, it is time to discuss the results and recommend a treatment plan. Grab your storage bag to correctly store your neck and décolleté accessories. Place the extended light shade and décolleté rest inside the bag. Ready for your next use. Accelerate your business with the neck and décolleté extension kit.